Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you want to go ahead and log out of your account just because you're not logged on to the correct computer, or maybe you're logged on to someone else's laptop. How do you actually go ahead and log out of Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first what we're going to do is hop onto Asana. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile icon and then go ahead and click on log out, which is located right over here. Now, once you log out, that is going to log you out of Asana. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Asana in case you were looking for the log out button. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.